back with another exercise from Starklings using Cairo, and we are on if. So we need to complete this function to return the bigger number. So let's get hint. So in hint, remember in Cairo that the if condition does not need to be surrounded by parentheses. If else conditions are expressions, each condition is followed by this one block. So we have the if and else condition. So for example, the fn bigger a u size b size u size, do not use another function call or additional variables. Okay, we have a and b here, and don't mind this for now, so we don't need to mind this for now. What we need to do here is make a if and else function. So if and else function. So if a is less than b, so we need to use this block. Else return b. Else return a. So this is an if and else statement. If condition that not need to be surrounded by parentheses. If or else are expressions, each condition is followed by a block. Or maybe we don't need to use. Okay, let's just wait for this one to compile. Something is up with our skip tokens. What's this? Maybe we don't need to use space here. Okay. And no space. Let's check. Okay, it compiled, so return the bigger number. If a is less than b, else return a. Okay. So if to make me compile step, get the bar for fuzz and default to buzz test passings. So we need to get hint. For the first compile error, it's important in Cairo that each conditional block returns the same type. To get the tests passing, you will need a couple conditions checking different input values. Okay. So this is just the same with if, but we need to call for multiple function. So foo if fees is fell to 52. Complete this function using if, else if, or else block. So we have this if, else if, and else. If fees is fees, return foo. So if fees is fees, we need to return foo. And else if fuzz, return bar. Else buzz. Okay, we need to do that. If fizzes equals fizz, return faux. Else if fizzish equals fuzz, return bar. Else return buzz. So let's just wait to compile this. I hope this will compile. We have used multiple functions here. Okay, what's wrong? Skip token. Unexpected. What is this? Don't know what that is. So let's test again. There was some integer there. I don't know what is that integer there. What happened? Why it was there? Something went wrong. Else if fidges. Let's try this one. Maybe we need to make this the same. Okay, so that was it. This was the problem. And we are now good to go for the next exercise. Tune in on the next video. Thank you for tuning in.